Hey everybody, this is Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. I got a package in the mail. Oh, we have here a 2-pack of LED camping lanterns. Alright, I've got two 2-packs. I see there's I was thinking I had 2 packs, but I got 2 2-packs from Vont. So, let's see what we got here. One is going to be a giveaway to somebody out there, and one is going to be for us to try out here on the off-grid homestead. Perfect timing too, because there's no solar power out there right now. It's dark and miserable storming, and there's no grid power either, so it's a pretty rough time for everybody in this area today. So let's have a look at one of these. We'll pull them both out and have a look. They come with batteries, which is good. That's rare today. And we've got fold-up hanging hooks. Let's see. There is going to be the battery tray. We'll go ahead and knock some of these in there. We'll be right back. They don't feel too cheap either, the batteries. They're sort of got some weight to them. What is that? Warriors, never heard of them. And is there any gaskets? Nope, just screws on there. There's that. Let me see how this opens up. Oh, wow, bright. Wow, that was a surprise. I got to turn it away. Wow. I turn off the overhead, which is, by the way, a battery powered. Look at that. Not bad, huh? If I turn it sideways, look at how bright that is. Lights this place up. The camera is obviously dimming it, but I can clearly see to read by in here. That's nice. That's very impressive. Now with solar powered rechargeable batteries, I got light, all kinds of light here. Look at that. There's looks like 3 sides LEDs. Let me turn it off so I can see. Oh, I can't turn it off, can I? Let me check the handbook and see what the specs are here. Okay, so to turn it on, you slide it open. To control brightness, slide it down. To turn it off, close it. That's it. It's very simple. Claims to be IPX4 waterproof or water resistance, can be briefly submerged in water without harm, and claims to be able to withstand some kicking around and dropping without any harm. It says made of military grade materials. That doesn't say, I can't find anything about how many lumens, but it says there's 30 crazy bright LEDs, they say. 30, they are bright. And good reflectors in there. It's hard to look at that, as you can see on the camera. So 30 super bright LEDs, and one of their advertising points is you can control its brightness by shutting it down a little bit. It doesn't change how many LEDs are burning. And claims to last up to 30 hours on a set of batteries, and there's not too much else that I can tell you. Says it can handle about a 10-foot drop. So we'll be checking this out in the next days here. I'm going to put the batteries in the other one, and I'll probably be using them today because, like I said, there is no solar power. I got it right here. There's no sun coming in today, and we have a bit of a energy shortage here at the off-grid homestead. So those will come in handy. And if I burn up those batteries, we're going to find out actually today, because there is no light, no power coming in from the solar panels. I'll find out how long these batteries do last, and I'll get back to you guys on the full review and let you know. So, check it out, guys. It looks like a nice quality product from Vont. You can find that on Amazon, and I'll put the link down below. You can go ahead and check that out. And I'm not sure if there's a discount or not. I'll check that, and if there is, I'll give you that here also in the video description and the comments. So watch for that. Check out the links and go ahead and get yourselves one. Also, stay tuned for the giveaway video coming soon. You'll get another kit just like this with 2 lanterns and both sets of batteries, unopened. Somebody's going to receive this kit. So watch for that video. We'll do a separate drawing video coming up. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow my videos about tactical, emergency, survival, disaster readiness, off-grid. Talk to you all later.